Hello and welcome back to another episode of Physics Partner. This is the 9th episode of Quantum Physics for everyone. Ever wondered why the strange, wonderful world of quantum mechanics seems locked inside super high-tech labs? Why we don't see tables or cats being in two places at once? The answer to why our everyday solid reality emerges from the fuzzy quantum realm is a process called quantum decoherence, and understanding it is the key to bridging these two worlds. Let's start with a core quantum idea, superposition. A tiny particle like an electron can exist in a mix of all possible states at once. Imagine it's like a spinning coin. While it's in the air, it's not just heads or tails. It's a fuzzy blend of both possibilities. That's quantum system in a coherent superposition. Now here is the problem. The electron does not live in a perfect isolated bubble. It's constantly bombarded by its environment. A stray photon of light, a passing air molecule, even the faintest whisper of a magnetic field. This is critical movement of decoherence. Think of our spinning coin. As long as it untouched, it stays in fuzzy spinning state. But the moment it brushes against the table, your hand, or a puff of air, that interaction forces it to choose. The spin is disturbed. The coin wobbles and falls to show one definite face, heads or tails. Decoherence is that brush against the table. For a quantum particle, the interaction with the environment is like a measurement. It instantly rips away the delicate fuzzy superposition. The particle is forced to pick a single classical state from all its possibilities, and it happens incredibly, unbelievably fast for any object large enough to see. For a real-life example, look at quantum computers. Scientists build them in ultra-cold, ultra-clean vacuums. Why? To protect the fragile quantum bits. They're spinning coins. For decohering, the moment too much environment gets in, the quantum magic is lost and it becomes just a regular, boring computer. Decoherence is the main enemy they are fighting. So let's take some takeaway notes. Number 1, the problem. Quantum particles can be in multiple states at once. It's called superposition, but we never see this in everyday life. Number 2, the solution. Quantum decoherence is the process that explains this. Number 3, the analogy. The quantum superposition is like a spinning coin, both heads and tails. The environment, air, light is like touching the coin, making it fall to one definite side. Number 4, the effect. Interactions between the surrounding environment instantly destroy superposition, forcing a single classical outcome. Number 5, the consequence. This is why quantum weirdness is confined to the microscopic world. For large objects, decoherence is instantaneous. Finally, number 6, real-world impact. Building quantum computers requires shielding qubits for decoherence to preserve their quantum power. So I think it's enough for today. So thank you very much for listening and watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is useful for you. So take care of yourself and don't hesitate to write an email if you have any question, query, suggestion, and even classes are required. Take care of yourself meanwhile. See you in the next video. Goodbye.